Hello. In this video, we will see how to add, copy, and edit materials. Now we click the Material button in the Definition menu. Here, I see that one material is listed by default. The program always keeps one default material in this list. To add a new material, we click the Add button on the left. A new material is added to the list. To access its properties, we select the material and click the Edit button on the left. Here, I change the name of the material. A detailed explanation of material properties will be given in the next videos. Another way to open material properties is to double-click the selected material. Now let's talk about the fields on the right side. When we select a material, its related properties are shown in the Material Properties area next to it. These properties include physical properties and mechanical properties. Next to that, you can see the soil profile where this material is used. When we select a material, a marker appears on the layer where that material is assigned. At the bottom left, you can see the name of the related soil profile. When I select the second material, no soil profile is shown because it is not assigned yet. To copy a material, we select it and click the Copy button on the left. After clicking, the program creates a copy of the selected material and adds it to the list. To delete a material, we select it and click the Delete button on the left. After making the necessary changes, we click the Apply button on the left to save them. Thank you for watching.